Students, so far I have given you the tests on the portion which I sent videos, my videos. Now I am giving you test on integers basing on delta. I'm choosing only integers in delta app, which you have done, which I have given assignment. So I thought of first revising with you what you have done in delta, and then you'll get a test on this. So today you listen very carefully. This type of questions are important, and I'll be giving you such type probably in your unit test also. The first question is, find which is greater, 12 into 6 minus 8 or 12 into 6 minus 8. Now you pick up the first one, 12 into 6 minus 8. When you see a bracket, you should know that first you will solve the bracket. Now what is 6 minus 8? 6 has a plus sign. No sign means plus sign. Plus minus is minus. That means you will subtract it. When you subtract, 8 minus 6 will give you 2. Now you see which is the bigger number, 6 or 8. 8 is the bigger number, and the bigger number sign is minus. So answer will be minus. So what is 6 minus 8? Minus 2. I repeat. Plus minus is minus. So you will do minus, that is subtract. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Now which sign will come? The bigger number sign will come. From 6 and 8, which is bigger? 8 is bigger. What is the sign of 8? The sign of 8 is right in front of it, minus sign. So answer will be minus. So write this 12 which is in front, 12 into, the answer of 6 minus 8 is minus 2. When you have to multiply, ignore the minus sign, just multiply the numbers. 12 into 2 is 24. And if there is a minus sign, in the answer also you will put the minus sign. Now let's see the other one. 12 into 6 minus 8. Now there is no bracket in this. Following BODMAS, in BODMAS, I have multiply and minus, which is first? Multiply, and then is minus, that is subtract. So first you multiply, 12 6 are 72 minus 8. Now what is 72 minus 8? 12 minus 8, 4. Here 6 left, 64. So now you see which is greater. This is, answer of this is minus 24, answer of this is 64. Positive number is always greater than the negative number. So this one is greater. 12 into 6 minus 8 is greater. So you will write 12 into 6 minus 8 is greater than 12 into 6 minus 8. When you write the test, when I send you, you will give me the answer of 12 into 6 minus 8. Just write the answer minus 24. And 12 into 6 minus 8, write the answer 64. The next line you will tell which is greater. Don't just write this is greater or this is smaller. You must give the answer of each. No need to give the steps. No need to give the whole solution. Just the answer of this is 64. Answer of this is minus 24. That's why this is greater than this. Question number 2. Evaluate 16 minus 8 plus 4 divided by 2 into 3. Now again following BODMAS here, whenever you see there are plus, minus, multiply, divide, bracket signs, we will follow BODMAS. B is for bracket, O is for off means multiply, D is divide, M is multiply, A is add, S is subtract. Now here is minus, plus, divide, multiply. Which comes first? First is divide, then multiply, then add and subtract. So first I will do divide. Here is divide. 4 divided by 2. This one. 16 minus 8 plus 4 divided by 2. We can write like this so that you understand better. Now cancel it. 2 2s are 4. First I am solving only division. According to BODMAS, first solve only division. So 4 divided by 2, write 4 over 2, 2 2s are 4, cancel. Now what is left? 16 minus 8 plus 2 into 3. Now division is solved. Now minus plus multiply. Which one to solve? Multiply. After division is multiply. So 2 into 3 you will solve. 2 3s are 6. Rest everything you will write like this only. 2 3s are 6. Now what you will do? First you will add, then subtract. Now you see 16 has a plus sign in front. 6 also has a plus sign in front. So write them together. 16 plus 6. Put a bracket for all the plus numbers, and minus numbers write separately. There is only one minus numbers, so only one is coming. If there are two minus numbers, then you write them also in a bracket. Okay, for example, I am showing in a rough work. If there is minus 2, minus 8 here, there was minus 2 also, then you will write this minus sign and bracket, add them. For minus numbers also, you will add them, their minus sign you will take out common, but here is only one number, minus 8, so write it single number only. 16 plus 6, 16 plus 6 is 6 plus 6 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 22, minus 8, 22 minus 8, 12 minus 8 4, 1 carry, 1 is carried, so 1 is left, 14. So answer is 14. Question number 3. Again you have to solve. I'll give you a question which has a bracket now. Simple bracket I'm giving you. This one. So now BODMAS means first you solve this bracket, then we will solve divide. Minus 15 plus 24, rest you write just like this. What is 15 minus 13 is 2. Answer of this is 2. First we solve the bracket. Now bracket is done. After bracket is, next is divide. There is no off here. O is off, no off here. So next is divide. So I will do first divide now. Minus 15 plus 24 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Minus 15 plus 12. Now minus plus is minus, so you will minus. 15 minus 12 is 3. Which is bigger number, 15 or 12? 15 is bigger. So sign in front of 15 is minus, answer also will be minus. Remember this, I repeat here, minus plus is minus. So you will minus it. 15 and 12, when you minus is 3. 15 minus 12 is 3. Now which sign to put? Bigger number sign. 15 is big or 12 is big? 15 is big. So write minus, because 15 has a minus sign. So this is the answer, minus 3. So maybe few questions I'll give you for your homework to practice, and then you'll have a test on this. That's all for today.